Struggling with box jumps? Try these 5 progressions first. First one is going to be bodyweight squats. Doing this is going to build foundational strength and joint stability. When doing these, focus on proper knee tracking and proper depth. Second progression is going to be a squat to calf raise. This will help with explosive ankle extension and help with strengthening your calves. This exercise is key for generating upward power during the takeoff phase of a box jump. Third progression is going to be jump squats. When you're doing this, you want to drive from the ball of your feet on the way up and do a soft landing on the way down. Adding a jump will build explosive drive and landing control. This will develop explosive leg power and fast twitch muscle activation, which are crucial for generating the vertical force needed to launch. Fourth progression are tuck jumps. These teach you to drive your knees up just like a box jump. Tuck jumps train you to bring your knees up quickly while in the air. This improves hip flexor strength and coordination. Both are essential for landing safely and efficiently. Now the fifth and last progression is going to be a low box jump. Now the reason why you want to do it on a lower box is because it's going to help you build the confidence while doing an actual box jump on a higher platform. So you want to make sure that you drive from the ball of your feet, start at a 45-degree angle and drive up, soft landing with knees bent and step back down. Starting out on a lower box will build the confidence, improve landing mechanics, and develop explosive power in a controlled way. Now, once you're able to master all 5 progressions, you could definitely do a box jump.